Here's how you could get voice chat on Roblox without ID. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the procedure to get voice chat on Roblox without ID. In order to do it so, you want to open up your browser and open up or type in roblox.com and log into your account. As logged in, you will then be directly taken to this field. So what next you want to do is simply you have to actually keep this in mind that your account is already 13 plus. If it is, then you'll be able to see this site, or you could see in the top right corner of my screen, and click on the gear icon in order to enable voice chat. Go to settings from the drop down menu. Next, what you have to do is go to privacy and content and go to communications. As you go to communications, you simply want to go ahead and make sure to enable voice chat, and it's that simple to enable voice chat without ID on Roblox. But you have to understand that your age must be above 13 years. If you have an account that's below 13 plus, you might want to consider creating a new account and change your date of birth. That should be able to help you out. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.